This is the Fisher-Price Little People Caring for Animals Farm. This is a very involved and detailed toy. It has a lot of different activities that it does. And a big thing that I thought was really great, I know my daughter who's 1 is going to love this. It has to do with, it teaches counting, opposites, animal sounds, and colors. It ranges from ages 1 through 5. You have to listen to it and play with it a few times because it comes with a lot of different features. We have the Discovery feature, the Experience, and the Imagine. These are the smart stages. And this is going to help us switch up the learning fun when they're ready. So I guess all kids learn, obviously, at different stages and ages. So whatever works best for your child, I recommend. I know with my daughter, we're going to start off in the Discovery stage, which is 1. And they hit the buttons right here, 1, 2, and 3. So I am green, and that is a Discovery stage. So now we're going to take this out of the box, and we're going to see how everything really, really works and see about the bell and all the other features that it has. So now we have everything out of the box. We have the horse, the rooster, the cowboy who's in charge of everything. We have the cow, and we have the pig. So we're going to take the horse, and we're going to put the horse in his barn. And over here they have the picture of the horse. This one you have the picture of the pig. So we're going to put the pig in here. We can put him over here. He can watch everything. We have the picture of the rooster, and he can go in here. And we have the picture of the cow, and we can put the cow in here. And the cow has the blanket attached. And we have the carrots, and we have the corn. So when we come over here, we said that we're going to circle the silo around so it moves the corn. And up here, we said that we could take one of the farm animals out if we wanted to and put them right through here where he sees, and he can come all the way down. And it makes that noise. We have our bell that rings. I suggest before giving this toy to your children to really look at all the different features that it has. If we go to phase or stage number 2, it's going to give us, so it's going to give us new songs and new activities.
Take care of our animal friends. Hey, hey, oh, hey, 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 oh. All together now. Hey, hey, oh, hey, hey, oh. We're gonna take care of our friends today. Listen to every word they say. We'll clean them up and watch them play. It's another day here on the farm. Hey, hey, oh, hey, 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 oh. All together now. Hey, hey, oh, hey, 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 oh.
The songs, I think, are pretty long, which is good to keep the children very engaged.
The pigs love playing in the mud.
That's the
Time to
pig.
get you in the bath.
So here's the pig, and here's his bath.
Yellow corn is the chicken's favorite snack. Let's get some from the silo.
So we can put the corn over here.
Good time. Ring that big metal bell.
Amazing!
It's the end of the day. Time for the animals to go back in the barn.
So now, whenever it ends like that, the end of the day, it's going to replay its songs. So let's go to stage number 3.
Level 3, make believe.
So each sound, they just had the pig likes to take the bath, so the child has to use their imagination to pretend that they're playing in the bath like they did in stage 2. And that was the song, Old MacDonald Had a Farm. And we said that the cow loves to eat its orange carrots. The cow loves to go to sleep with its little blanket. And the rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo, and you have all the eggs. And we said there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. When you push this up and down, you see the eggs come through. And if we go to the back part, it's basically all open, and there's a handle if you want to carry it, just in case. And if you want to go travel somewhere, you can close this part up and put the animals back in their barns, and you can take this with you if you have to go to someone's house and you want to take their toy with them.